Who is Siyabonga Goma? Siyabonga Goma rose through Transnet ranks to become its CEO in 2015, succeeding Moeli Faye, and previously served as CEO of Transnet Freight Rail, the company's largest division, and was suspended and later fired in 2018 after allegations of misconduct and state capture links. Also appeared in the Zondo Commission reports for playing a role in irregular contracts, inflated prices, and Gupta-linked transactions. Allegations and charges. R93 million earmarked for Trillion Asset Management, a Gupta-linked firm ostensibly for advisory services to support the procurement of 1,064 locomotives. The payment was authorized by Goma and others in October 2015. Shortly after receipt, R74 million was transferred to another Gupta-linked company, Albertime, raising serious red flags. Charges include fraud, corruption, and money laundering, tied to the irregular procurement process outlined in the Zondo Commission report and the state capture inquiry. Court appearance and legal proceeding.